Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. In this episode, we're going to take some peanuts in the shell and we're going to marry them with some Blue Moon beer. And we're going to see how they turn out right after this.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
All right, guys, so we're done with our cooking. I got to say that this came out really, really good. There's a few things that I would change in the recipe, but I must say that as far as tasting these, I've tasted them as they cool down. I can taste the smoke flavor in these peanuts. I can taste the beer, and I can taste the salt from the saltiness from the salt that we put in the boiled mixture. Okay, I don't taste the sugar very much, so we may have to make some changes to the overall recipe. Also, I would like a more pronounced beer flavor. So instead of adding the 2 cups of water to add more liquid to the boil to ensure that we've covered all of our peanuts, I think next time I'll just add another beer, which would make 4 12-ounce beers for the recipe. Okay. And then I think I would add a half a cup of salt and a half a cup of sugar instead of 1/4 cup of each one. Other than that, I think this came out really good. We boiled these for 25 minutes, and next time I'll boil them for about 45 minutes to give more time for the flavors to penetrate the shell and to get to the nut. Okay, we smoked these for roughly an hour and a half or until the shell of the peanut was nice and crispy and crunchy. So you press on the shell and you heard the crunch. And then I laid them all out and put them on the counter and let them cool completely before doing a final taste on them. So I had never done this before, but this was a great idea, and I'll probably be doing this more in the future, especially to add some peanuts to my bar whenever we do have some type of get together. Okay, the smoke flavor was there, but it wasn't as pronounced. If you want a stronger smoke flavor for your peanuts, I would suggest using a different pellet. We used, I think it was apple that was in the smoker, which is a light fruit wood. But if you want a more pronounced smoke flavor for your peanuts, then I would suggest using oak or mesquite or hickory or something along those lines. But you might want to watch your cooking time because the longer they're in there, the more smoke that they're going to absorb. Okay. So, and that's about it. So, and I want to thank you guys for joining us today. Hey, if you're interested in a Recteq smoker, check out the guys at Recteq Grylls on recteq.com, not Recteq Grills, recteq.com. They have all kind of accessories, all kind of grills. So check those guys out. And that's about it. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there or somebody boiling your nuts in some beer. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Can't be wasting blue moon like that. See you guys in the next video.